On June 18, 2019, a routine speeding violation quickly escalated into a high-speed chase on US Highway 65 when a rider on a powerful Suzuki Hayabusa, clocked at 122 miles per hour in a 65 miles per hour zone, fled from Arkansas State Trooper Mitchell Grant. What followed was a relentless pursuit, reaching speeds of up to 155 miles per hour, as the rider desperately attempted to evade capture.
I'm left same track. 11, 8, 12. If one of y'all would get on your county and see if Grady has somebody to work. Jump 455, county, I'm they already called it at 37. I'm a little ways behind, so I keep updated. I can catch up when you're on the straightaway and go in the track. It's away down the green. You took a right, you just turned in behind the Dollar General store, Grady. Put the kick, get on the ground. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. My cousin's house, sir. Why are you driving that fast, running from me like that? Why put everybody in danger? I'm sorry, sir. Go ahead. Why? Well, I didn't see you behind me. I saw you, but... Sir. I've got him in custody at the dollar store in Gould. You saw me turn around on you. You saw me behind you. That's why you took off. You was doing 122 when you passed me, you dummy. I'm sorry. It's 155, actually. 155? Can I get up? I don't have anything on me. You can check. Where are you from? I'm from Greenville, Mississippi. I'm going to see my cousin. I'm a firefighter. That's why I'm here, sir. And you're putting all of us in danger. Chasing you, and you're a firefighter? Yes, putting all of us, you know how fast we came through Dumas around all that traffic trying to stop you, and you're a firefighter putting us in danger? I'm a volunteer. Well, you shouldn't be. You shouldn't have nothing to do with emergency services. Roll over on your butt. Put your feet up under you. I'm not going to run front. All right, put your feet up under you. Stand up. Oh, get up. Yeah. I need some help. I'm kind of big. I need some help. Oh. So, can I please go? Go? Can you go? You're going to jail, Slick. That's I'm going to jail. Yeah, you're going to jail. I'm going to jail? How many counts of reckless driving can we count? I'm going to jail? Yeah, you're going to jail. Did you think you wasn't going to jail running from? I can't. Can I take my jacket off, please? I'm hot. Yeah, I'm hot too. I respect you. No, you don't, or you would have stopped back there. You don't have any respect for me. Don't worry about it. Let's talk tight for you because you're a big boy.
Sir, I promise you. I'm not going to
Hey, let me tell you something. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law, okay? Set your butt there and twist your legs in there. You don't get a free pass on something this stupid. Where's your wallet at?
It's on my bike.
Okay.
I got it up front.
Okay.
I can't get it up. Thank you.
Watch your knee there.
I can't.
You'll have to pick yourself up, kind of sit in there catty corner.
Maybe I can get it around this way. If I could.
Do you have any more room in that Explorer
Hey,
than I do in this? Oh, really? What?
can you loosen them up?
No, I can't loosen them up. I double locked them. They're not going to tighten up. And I really don't think that's cool. We can try it if you want to. He's so damn big, I can't shut the door. You're going to have to sit sideways.
I can't.
All you got to have, yeah, come on, dog. Anything, you just lay across.
Can you pick my foot up again, please?
What?
I'm going to sit.
You're probably not going to get it back anyway.
I can't get it back.
Where are you going?
I'm going to Little Rock to my cousin's house. I guess it's not.
Not now. And get your knee in there. You got to slide on over. We don't have that middle case.
Might as well lay down in a way.
Every way you got to do. You don't want it to have to fold you up.
Will you please give me like a little bit of slack on this toe? Just on my right hand.
No.
On my right hand.
Come on, sit back. They're not going to get any. They're not going to tighten up on you.
I know they're just tight as hurting the top of my wrist.
Sit down. Don't worry about trying to sit in there the right way, because that just ain't going to work. Just scoot back. Put it all the way across.
Please take my jacket off, please.
Just scoot all the way across. You got air conditioning on.
Yeah,
You didn't want to take it off when we was driving 150, did you?
I'm going to lay down.
I've got it, did I couldn't hear the rest of it.
Well, and I could.
100, but it was from France. You had a passport, so I just let it go. I said, hell with it. It's a long ways from home.
God dang, man, I know it. You find this wallet?
No, well, yeah, it's on your hood. I ran this 30 already. They had a power command on it too. That's part of why it was jumping.
The Gould officer said she got him at 155. You got 10, 11, 10, 19?
The chase ended when the rider, realizing he had nowhere left to go, surrendered in a parking lot in Gould, Arkansas, facing multiple charges for fleeing, reckless driving, and speeding. His decision to run stemming from the fear of facing jail time for lacking a motorcycle endorsement, ultimately resulting in a suspended sentence, fines, and court fees.